All right, how's it going? Look, today we're going to make these lamb chops. We're going to make a lovely little marination for them. I'm going to do them in the oven, but if you want, you can stick them on a barbie or you can pan fry them. So up to you, but yeah, we're going oven. Welcome back to How to Cookery. Okay, so here we've got 10 lamb chops in a nice large bowl. I'm about to add some spices and stuff like that. Now, I'm going to chuck it all in now. Check below for the list and the amounts in the text. So we've got 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. We've got half a cup of lemon juice or lime. We've got half a cup of olive oil. We've got half a cup of tomato paste. Then we've got 2 teaspoons, this is what I'm using, salt, black pepper, thyme. Also 2 teaspoons, turmeric, cumin, chili powder, and green cardamom powder. You can adjust the amounts and you can add basically whatever spices you want. We're going to give that a mix, and then ideally you need to put that in your fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours. Overnight is super fab. Okay, so there's only one way to do that, is to get in with your hands. So if you can get a glove on, that would be really good. But get in there, give it a little mix up. Like I say, refrigerate a couple of hours minimum. Overnight, wah. So we're going to be cooking our lamb chops in the oven. You can, if you want, do them on a stove top. You can just fry them off or barbecue them. Okay, so I've got a metal roasting dish with a rack, and just in there I've got like a centimetre of water. I put that water in. You can use stock if you want. I've just got some water in there that just keeps them nice and moist in there so they don't dry up too much in the oven. So there you go, placed on the rack. Try and keep them away from each other as much as you can. I mean, don't chuck them in one pile. Now, they're going to go in a preheated oven, about 180 for about 25 minutes. I'm going to flip them over about halfway through and we'll take a look at them then. Okay, and there you go, really beautiful. Now that water that we put in, or stock underneath, really has done its job and kept them nice and moist. But you can see we've got some lovely blackening on there. They're really delicious. So I just popped them on a plate with a little bit of, you know, tomato, lettuce and stuff like that. Nice squeeze of lemon on them, delicious. But yeah, they're really, really good. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.